How to place an IT'S HALAL order. You can subscribe to the IT'S HALAL newsletter. Just type in your name and your email address, or you can just click the cross button. To place an order on the home screen, just scroll down and click choose a box. Remember to place your order before Friday 8 AM to have your box delivered on the following Tuesday. Scroll down and now you've got two options. You can either pick a traditional box, which includes the meat and fish recipes, or a vegetarian box. Next, you select how many portions of each recipe you would like, and you can either go for 2 portions of each recipe or 4 portions. Next, select how many recipes you would like. You can either go for 3 recipes, 4 recipes, or even 5 recipes. And then, once you've chosen, click choose recipes. Here you can go through the selection of recipes and pick any recipes you would like. To make sure there's a variety in your diet, pick 1 vegetarian recipe minimum, or you can pick whichever ones you like. Once you have selected your recipes, scroll to the bottom and click add recipes to basket. Double check and confirm you're happy with the selection of recipes you have chosen. Don't forget to type in the coupon code TUBE15 for an extra 15% off your order. Scroll down and click proceed to checkout. Add in your billing details. This is all the details on your bank card. And then you can have this box delivered to any address in the United Kingdom. So if you'd like to give it for a gift to somebody, it doesn't need to be same as the billing details. Scroll down the page and enter your bank card details for the payment and click place order. Now you can sit back and relax and wait for your order to be delivered on Tuesday. Dinner is sorted.